Pelvic muscle exercises, also known as Kegel exercises, are a type of exercise designed to strengthen the pelvic muscles around your bladder. They are a great exercise for men suffering from prostate problems, especially for those recovering after prostate cancer surgery. While commonly considered an exercise for women during childbirth, there are plenty of benefits pelvic exercises can provide, including strengthening your pelvic floor, controlling urinary incontinence, and improving urinary frequency and urgency. Here are 5 easy pelvic exercises you can try from the comfort of your home. Remember, consult with your doctor before beginning any exercise program. You should be in good physical condition and be able to participate in the exercises. 1. Bridge. First, for the hard part, finding your pelvic muscles. Imagine you are trying to stop yourself from passing urine. Slowly squeeze and lift the muscles. Now you are ready to try the bridge. To complete this pelvic muscle exercise, you need to lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Now inhale. Engage your pelvic floor and lift your hips. Hold for up to 10 seconds. Keep breathing. Lower your hips back down and release your pelvic floor. Do 10 reps of this exercise. 2. Wall squat. Some people might struggle with squats, especially if they are older. So, a low-impact alternative is wall squats. To do this exercise, stand against a wall, feet hip-width apart. Inhale. Engage your pelvic floor and lower yourself into a squat as though sitting in a chair. Hold for 10 seconds. Rise back up to standing and release your pelvic floor. Rest for 10 seconds. That's 1 rep. Try to do 10. 3. Lunges. Lunges work out your whole body. Not only do they improve your core muscles, but they help to improve hip flexibility and balance. It also helps to strengthen the abdominal and lower back muscles, lowering the chance of back pain and strain. To do this exercise, stand straight with your toes facing forward and your feet spaced 1 foot apart. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. 4. Single leg tabletop. This is a common leg movement popular in Pilates workouts. By adding the split movement, you work out your hip as well as pelvic floor muscles. To do this exercise, lie on your back with your knees bent so that your thighs and shins are perpendicular to the floor. In a controlled movement, slowly begin to split your legs outward. Slowly raise back to the start. You should try to complete 10 to 15 reps. 5. Leg lever. Leg levers are a great way to target your core, helping to work out abdominal muscles and decrease belly fat. To do this exercise, lie on your back and lift your stretched legs until they are in a vertical position. Tense your legs and lower them back to the ground. Like any other exercise, it takes time. Do not expect miracle results right away. Completing these exercises requires commitment, and setting aside 30 minutes a day could make a significant improvement to your health. Once you have already mastered the technique on how to do it the right way, and you are already following the 3 times a day frequency, you should be able to see an improvement in your bladder control. These improvements may show in the 3rd or 6th week. It's best if you keep a record and monitor your urine leakage on a daily basis to help keep track of your improvement. If 1 month passes and you don't see any changes in the results, this means that you may not have located the correct muscles. If this happens, inform your urologist right away so you can be advised on how to hit the correct muscles successfully. Thanks for watching! Have you tried pelvic exercises or have any exercise tips? Let us know in the comments below. If you've learned something new from today's video, make sure to subscribe to Ben's Natural Health YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video.